Hello and welcome to a demonstration of MediaPulse. In the next few minutes, we will go over how to add custom values to booking bar text in the schedule book. The display window allows you to control many of the graphical display settings of bookings in the schedule book for a particular view, as well as what bookings will display based on certain settings. Users can add important information to their facility on booking bars within the display option. In this example, we will add a priority level to the booking bars so users can quickly see what is most important on the schedule book view. First, we will add a custom value to work order transactions. Next, add this value to the work order bookings layout. And then we will place this value on the schedule book booking bar. To begin, we will need to add a custom value to our work order transaction document. Navigate to System, Document Customizations. Let's open the document for work order transactions to add our priority level custom field. Now, go to the Documents Table tab and add a new row. For the table name, let's select Order Transactions. Let's name this description Custom Fields. Next, select Custom Field Data under the Custom Key Column dropdown. Add a unique customization code. Next, go to the Custom Fields tab and add a new row. Select the dropdown Custom under the field type. For the prompt, we will name this Priority. Now, with the priority row selected, go to the drop-down Field Options tab. Add 5 rows to distinguish 5 different levels of priority. For example, our priority levels will be Now, Urgent, High, Medium, Low. Before we save this custom field, let's go back to the Custom Fields tab to set up a default value. For example, I will pick our default value to be medium. Save and close the document customization for work order transaction. Now that we have added this priority custom value to work order transaction, let's open the Smart Client to add this custom value to our work order bookings layout. First, navigate to System, Layouts. Search for either the standard work order bookings layout in the layout description or for the site custom layout you would like to add it to. You may need to search for inactive layouts. Simply click the Search Active checkbox to widen your search for active and inactive layouts. Right-mouse click on the layout row you would like to duplicate. Rename the layout by clicking on the ellipses. Click OK. Next, make sure this layout is active by checking the active box. Click OK. In the resulting layout window, go to the Layout Tools and expand Order Transactions under Work Order Transactions. Expand Custom Fields and drag the priority value onto the Scheduling Transaction box. Notice how it gets placed to the far right. Let's drag the field to the left so we don't have to scroll to see it when we search. Save and close this new layout. Let's return to MediaPulse to view our new layout with the priority value. Open your desired scheduling view. Click and drag on the schedule book to create a new work order booking. With our new layout, let's populate the required fields as well as change the priority value. As you can see, our priority level is listed as medium. Since this is our default value we selected, let's change this priority level to Now. Save and close. As you can see, we have created a new work order on the schedule book. Now, let's add the priority custom value text to our booking bar. Go to Display and click on the Bar and Hover Text button. This window allows you to define what booking bar text or what hover text will display in the Schedule Book's Current tab for all types of bookings. Please note that text for bookings and hover text can be the same or different. Select the booking bar type you would like to edit. Here we will select Work Order Transaction. In the Available Tables column, expand the Work Order Transactions section. Search for and click on Order Transactions. As you can see, when you select a table, the Available Items column populates. Search for and double-click Priority in the Available Items column. If you double-click on an item, it'll automatically populate the item on the Layout Item box. You can also click and drag items to the Layout Items box. Now, let's customize the way this priority custom value appears on the booking bar. For example, let's say we want to see this value at the top of the booking bar and we want the priority value text to be bolded and italicized. First, click and drag on the icon for Order Transactions Priority to the top of the Layout Items box. Next, in the Details Selected Item box, check Include Label, Bold, and Italic. Please note, the Work Order Transaction Preview box at the top provides an outline of what items will be displayed on the booking bar. In this example, let's say I want to have the priority value on its own line. Here you can see the work order description is on the same line as the priority. To move it down, select the following item in the Layout Items and check Start New Line in the Detail Selected Items box. As you can see, the work order description now appears on its own line. When you are satisfied with your preview, click Save. Also, click the Copy to Work Order Transaction pop-up link to copy the same layout preview to Hover Work Order Transactions. Click Close and then save the display. As you can see, the priority custom value is visible on the booking bar and displays the changes we made in the bar and hover text display. To save this change to your schedule book view, go to the Actions button and select Save View. Name the view and save. This was a short demonstration of how to add custom values to the booking bar text in the schedule book. For more tips and tricks on MediaPulse, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@xytechsystems.com.